Hey guys, today we're going to be doing the mullet taper tutorial, and let's get right into it. So we're going to start by parting the hair. You just want to create a section where you're going to start the clipper work, and you just kind of want to set out the framework using a 3-guard. Going to follow it up with some clipper over comb just to create some shape and blend into the top. Starting off with your trimmers, put in the bulb line. Alright, to start off, we're going to use the one open and then follow it up by the one closed just right below that. You want to go about an inch up. Next, we're going to use the half guard. We're going to go just below that, open, and then slowly close the lever as you go down. Followed by that, we're going to take the guard off, blade open, blade close. Simple as that. Next, we're going to hit it with 1.5. You just want to go over the one where you started with the blade closed and go about half an inch up. The last guard we're going to need is the 2 guard, and we're going to blend that in to the 3 where we started. Start with the blade closed and then open it as you go up. So at this point, the fade's pretty much complete. I'm just going over it, just detailing using whichever guards I see fit, just to clean up the fade. Next, with the trimmers, we're going to trim up the C-cup, line it up, and a bit of the front. Don't need it to be too crispy because his hair is going to be down most of the time. Also want to get right behind his ear. And on this side, we're going to repeat the same steps as before. I'm just going to let you guys watch it through and follow the process. Alright, so that's the cut, guys. Let me know what you think. If you want any more tutorials, maybe some on the scissor work for the top, just let me know. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll update it with some new ones. Thanks.